Hey, I know you were different and couldn't find a match, and when you did, you messed things up. One by one, you left everyone because they were not right and you felt alone. Got attention for everything you did, but then things started to change and it bothered you, so you crossed the line, got it wrong influence. You were being talked negatively, you were criticized by the teacher, something which was never your goal, but you didn't feel the shame. You were long distant from your vision. But you didn't stop, not until you got so out of hand you didn't understand. Made so many wrong decisions which could have been prevented. Hurted people who was always there for you. Maybe you were the problem and you never realized at the time. You were doing things you never thought you would because of what? Outer validation. Such an irony because you always told you don't care about what others think of you. But deep down, you actually cared so much that you forgot who you are, what your values are, what you stand for. You forget your identity and became an entertainment consumed by everyone. And now, after years, I'm forgiving you. Looking back, I can see how things went wrong, how a person can do things they never stand for. I was afraid to look at my past. I felt shame, anger, regret, and guilt. But I slowly opened the pages and turned my mistakes into lessons. I'm able to forgive myself only because I'm able to navigate my emotions and look inside my mind that no one saw. I felt alone because no one understood me. The things I did for fun wasn't actually. But I already had plans made which I wanted to do with the people around me, but they never listened. I did things to get attention because I just wanted to be loved and equally be part of the group. My heart needed something else, but my actions were saying a different story. The way I was doing things was definitely wrong, and I'm not justifying it, but I know what my heart was. I've realized my mistakes and learned a lot from it, and I've also promised myself to not repeat it ever again. It's fine. We've not been given lessons about regulating our emotions and how mental health is so important. So, we're gonna learn by making mistakes and learning from it. It happens. The way I forgive myself, you should too. Accept your past. It's yours. Look back with positivity. The more you ignore it, the more you'll be haunted. So, understand why everything you did and move forward. Just let go and forgive yourself. Teenage years are not easy. Trust me, you'll have to let things go to live freely and go ahead in life. We are humans. We make mistakes, but our past mistakes doesn't define our future nor present. Don't carry the baggage of emotions. Time to let go. Time to reset your mindset. Time to breathe the fresh air again. Forgive yourself like I did.